In this video, I will show you how to quickly add the Polygon blockchain to your Metamask wallet and also, where you can get some free Matic tokens to pay for gas fees, so keep watching all the way to the end. The Polygon Network, formerly known as the Matic Network, is a scaling solution for Ethereum that is used by DeFi platforms like QuickSwap, Aave, Curve, Sushi and many others. The network has become well known for its fast transactions and near-zero gas fees, without sacrificing on security. Polygon used to be called the Matic Network, but the native token and trading ticker is still Matic. Matic is the native currency on the Polygon ecosystem, and is used to pay for all the transaction fees that take place on the network. It has the same function as BNB on the Binance Smart Chain and Ether on Ethereum. Since Polygon is a different network, you will need to set up a custom RPC in your Metamask wallet first before you can use it. If you don't have a Metamask wallet already, please watch the video tutorial on my channel on how to get started with Metamask. I'll drop the link below for you. Open Metamask and click the Network drop-down menu, which is located at the top of the window. Click the Custom RPC link and put in the exact information that you see on the left. In the first form field, put in Matic Mainnet. Next, put in the RPC Mainnet Matic Vigil link. Be sure to enter the correct link here, or the connection will not work. The chain ID for Polygon is 137, the symbol is Matic, and then you just need to put in the Block Explorer URL in the last form field. Click Done, and the Polygon network will be added to your Metamask. That's all. You are now ready to explore the network, and swap, trade or stake Matic and other tokens on decentralized applications. If you want to transfer tokens via the Polygon bridge but don't own any Matic to pay for gas fees, you can get some free Matic tokens at Matic.supply. The faucet will send you 0.001 Matic for free to fund your first transaction. The Matic is free, although it's not a large amount, but you can use it on the Polygon bridge, to send other tokens on the network, or to buy more Matic. Make sure your wallet is connected to the Polygon network and connect to the website to proceed. If you already have enough Matic in your wallet to do a transaction, you won't be able to receive the faucet. You can do this operation maximum 3 times per day. Another website to get some free Matic is Mac and Cheese Finance website. They give away 0.001 Matic, however, this is only for existing crypto holders. If you have no Matic in your wallet already, you will receive nothing. And the last way to get some free Matic is with the Pairs app faucet. Make a connection with the website, and your wallet address will automatically pop up. The faucet will send you 0.0005 Matic, which is enough to do 100 basic transactions on the Polygon network, and you can use it up to 3 times per day. There are a growing number of dApps on Polygon, including several major protocols which originated on Ethereum. QuickSwap is the Uniswap of the Polygon network. It's the place to swap, stake or farm Matic. You can also move tokens here from the Ethereum network to Polygon, using the bridge. If you don't have any Ethereum-based tokens, I recommend buying Polygon's native Matic tokens on an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Don't forget that you'll need some Matic to pay for gas fees on the network. Matic is currently trading at almost $2, but I expect the token to go way higher, as the network will be used by more and more users. You can also earn 3% interest every day on your Matic tokens by using the Matic Miner. The miner pays 3% daily, according to the current mining efficiency rate. The object here is hiring more miners sooner and more often than other players. This will earn you more Matic faster. Remember that once you put in your money, you can never take it out again. You can only get your investment back by withdrawing the daily interest, and when the contract balance goes to 0, it's over and no more interest will be left to pay out to players. Unlike return on investment dApps and farming contracts that pay out a fixed percentage, these miners are high risk, high reward, so do your own research, and never follow other people, or invest money that you can't afford to lose in a project. If you like to be updated about the latest crypto miners or farms, please take a minute to join my Crypto Token Miners Telegram or Discord, where you can chat, ask questions, watch video tutorials, and find all the latest news and tips on how to earn free crypto with mining and minting dApps, and much more. I will leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell to get all the latest videos first. If you have something to add, please leave a comment below, or drop it in the Discord or Telegram. Have a wonderful day.